Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at index match with multiple criteria. I know you know index match, all right? I know you understand it, but this index match that I'm going to be showing you is different, all right? It's more powerful, and you need to watch this video very well and practice it, okay? All right, so let's look at it. So this is our table, and this is what we are going to be looking for on this table. All right, so let's start. So let's first do our index. So select your table. All right, comma, then let's do our match. So look up, that's one. Now let's do our lookup array. We're looking region up here. All right, equals west. Let's close it. Let's multiply it by another one. Rep. We're looking up rep here. Equals Sovino something. All right. So multiply by item. Item equals pencil. All right. So close the bracket. Exact match. So let's close it. And which column are we looking up from? We are looking up from this total column, and is in column 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's put 7 here. So let's close the brackets. So that is it. So it's as simple as that. So in West region, rep Sovino item pencil give us total of 167.44, which is this. All right, so let's change this west to east and see. Let's see what happened. East. It's not available anywhere on this table. So let's change the rep to Jones. Can you see this is the figure? All right, it's as simple as that. So this is powerful. Please practice it and start using it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.